I recently purchased the Sunkko 737G spot welder from Amazon. I got that, but unfortunately, I know it's kind of weak because when I open the case, the transformer is kind of small, and I can barely spot weld like 0.15 millimeter nickel strips. So I decided to do an upgrade because I was thinking the other model was way too expensive, like anything like 709A AD or something, or like over $200. So I decided, I have a platform, and then I can do some upgrade. Like one thing I was thinking about is definitely using a microwave oven transformer, and also I was thinking about adding the probes. So so I can just do wider battery pack, because right now you can only do like up to 2 rows because of the those probes here are just, only stick out very shortly, so you cannot do that. So I tried a bunch of stuff, and then finally I have my ultimate upgrade for this 737G. So here's the final upgrade. It's kind of a little bit messy here because I use a bunch of tapes just to have better insulation. But so the first thing I upgrade is the plug. So basically this thing comes with a cord, which I don't think is very convenient. So I install a socket here, so I can just unplug them. That would be much more easier. And also the wires connect from the power line to the control board, which was like 18 gauge wire. So I double that. So like each of the 9, I have like 2 wires for that purpose. And then I upgrade the microwave transformer. So I get rid of the secondary wire and then get the wire somewhere like gauge 3. It's actually, I got the gauge 2 wire, but I took some of the strand out. So basically only like 9 out of 12 strand of gauge 2 wire. So right now it's basically like gauge 3 or something, but that's more than enough. The other thing I did is adding a probe, like external probe pins, so I can do a wider package. So I get a set from Amazon, which they come with the coupling as well as like 2 gauge 4 wire and plus the pins, which actually work great. Honestly, I was surprised to see how thick the wire is. It's actually even, I feel like it's even thicker than the wire which I use in my transformer. Although they say it's like somewhere equivalent to gauge 4, which have the 25 millimeter square millimeter area, but it's definitely a great upgrade here. So I actually drill 2 holes there, install the coupling, so you can actually turn this and then unplug it. So right now it's looking like this. It's kind of weird, but it's actually very powerful. So I can actually even like spot welding like the nickel strip against the steel sheet. So which is great right now. So it's definitely much more powerful than before, and I'm pretty sure it's very close to the higher end models. So as you can see from here, so the secondary wire came out from the transformer and then going to the coupling, and then continue and going to the internal probe connection here. I have to make using the copper pipe to make the connection between the wire and the lot here. I don't want to have like two wires, which is kind of messy. I saw other people, you have to use the soldering. That's such a mess and looked really bad. So I'm just using like a copper pipe, just let them flat using the hammer, and then wrap up the wire, and then just screw on the coupling, which I think is a very good idea here. So I don't have to cut them in half, which works great.